Hey guys, how's it going? Well, I just got the charger finished up. Oh, I'm having so many problems with this camera focusing. It's clean, detail cleaned inside and out. You can eat off this thing. Not that you'd want to. 3.11 firmware. Also, if you need to get a firmware kit, this is what it looks like. Here's the kit number. If you pick one up, make sure the dealer loads the latest version of the firmware you need into that. It comes with a data cable, transfer. Come on. Comes with a transfer data cable, and it's got the power cable as well. But that's what you need. On the front, it has a place to run diagnostics, and you press the start button twice and you watch that. As long as it's blinking yellow or green, it's fine. I'm colorblind, so I can't tell, but if it turns red, then you've got a problem with the pocket. But anyway, some people have been asking about some fire yellow housings. I do have a few of those in. This is an XTS5000. Needs absolutely nothing. Right now I've got a key loader, the high rows on it. These are brand new housings. Very nice radios. Now these aren't the China knockoff ones. Those China knockoff ones are just trash. There's another VHF. All the firmware's up on them. This is a UHF-Q split. I've also got high splits, 450 to 520. Very nice radios. So, let's go ahead and drop them in there. Sorry about this. So there you have it. One very nice 6-gang IMPRES charger. 3.11 firmware with working displays. Needs nothing. No battery. Line it up right and you'll get a battery. There we go. So, I hope you're all doing well. And later on. Hope you found this video entertaining, helpful, anything like that. Thanks for watching. Take care. Later on.